Mopu Sanitary Ware Group Company Limited, established in 2011, is a large modern integrated science and technology enterprise who is specialized in and committed to the R&D and global selling of guaranteed quality and sophisticated intelligent toilets, water-saving toilets, wash basin, bathroom cabinet, urinal, bathtub, shower room, steam room, faucet, and shower, stainless steel sink. Our headquarters is located in Shenzhen, where we have over 30 performance stores. And we have a sister company in Foshan with export-oriented showroom and export department. Our production base is located in Chaozhou, occupying 50,000 square meters. After being devoted to the R&D of intelligent toilet since her foundation, Mopu has passed the ISO 9001-2015 quality management system and awarded with patents for intelligent toilet and intelligent toilet seat. Till now, Mopu has developed around 20 models of intelligent toilets with simple fashion and sophisticated quality, and become the top one seller of intelligent toilet on Tmall.com in China.